Hi everyone, and welcome to Truth Over News. A new batch of Department of Homeland Security documents leaked by a whistleblower exposes the depths of collusion between the department and social media giants to censor American citizens. Earlier this year, we found out that the department had formed a Disinformation Governance Board, which more aptly should have been called the Ministry of Truth. That initiative was then quickly shut down by the Biden regime after a public outcry. It now turns out that Biden's project to silence American citizens was shut down in name only. The actual work of Biden's Ministry of Truth has continued unabated. The latest revelations are so devastating that even the American Civil Liberties Union, which is a shadow of its former self, is now condemning what the Biden regime has done.